Welcome to Iron Arrows. All right, today we have a late fall garden tour for you. That's Marshmallow. So we are in zone 7A. So it's starting to get pretty cold. It's below freezing pretty much every night. And we'll just show you what we're doing. So we have a raised bed right here. If you want to show the blocks, we've showed these before. These are from Lowe's. They're like $3 a piece. You stick a 2x6. We do untreated.
And you
Treated
got
might be better, and some rebar. And we're gonna put onions and a little bit of garlic, whatever we have left. These little onions. So we should have done it about a month ago, but that's okay. Over here we have garlic all the way up. My awesome husband.
So we cut holes every 5-6 inches apart, and each one of those holes has a garlic clove in it, and you can see that it goes on.
Goes for miles. Also,
and on.
So you dug the trench and then you put amendments in.
I did. I dug the trench down about 4 to 6 inches, and then what we did was we put peat moss in there, our goat poop, or as the kids call it, no berries, and we put sand in there to kind of like loosen up the soil. And I mixed that all up with the regular soil that we dug out, and we did it all the way. So it goes all the way up here.
We got these garden stakes on Amazon, by the way. So much cheaper than anything else we've found. Need to add a few more. We ran out, but then we found some.
Yep. So it goes all the way to here. So we could add, I thought I went all the way, but I guess I didn't. So we have some garlic, so we'll be continuing on all the way.
Actually, I want to put it in the raised bed to test which one works better.
Okay. So
we've only done ground garlic.
So this is as far as garlic as we've gone.
It's pretty far.
Like
it's like miles.
100 plants. So that's really exciting for me because I love garlic.
And our friends Kristen and Ash gave us some garlic.
Yep.
Kristen gifted us with a whole pound, I think, like a big bag of it. Purple stripe variety. So this is actually Azure Standard and Purple Stripe. Here's some chickens. These are chickens that are newer. So the boys kind of built them like a run. It's pretty long. I keep asking if we should take them out. They're like, no, leave them in. It's really safe. There's netting on the top. And then this is the rest of the chickens. So, here are blueberries.
Yep.
The big ones. And we've planted 6 more
This is
plants.
not a blueberry.
This is not a blueberry.
It needs to be torn down.
Yep, we'll put a fruit tree there.
This hole is a tripping hazard we put in here just in case I was walking through here at night and I decided I wanted a broken leg. That's why we put that there. Actually, we're putting that there in faith that somebody gives us a pear tree.
We're going to buy a pear tree.
So if you have a pear tree and you want to send it to us,
he's always trying to get free
please
stuff.
Send it, let me know in the comment or message me or something like that. But anyways, we've got, we planted 6 more blueberry bushes in here. So this is blueberry here. I lost my thrill. Oh, blueberry here.
I don't know if the lyrics are good. We'll have to.
I got those backwards or mixed up because I am dyslexic.
Here are blueberries. So we have 6. They're kind of staggered, and this is where my teenager does his homework because it's cold. But today it hit maybe 60, and so he's been out here in the sunshine. Actually, he was out here yesterday too when it was freezing.
Got 2 more.
We have 3 more.
3 more.
One behind you.
And we got this one over here. Looks like something ate it.
Probably a goat.
Probably a goat.
So we've had the goats tethered in here just to add some poop to that soil. So we expanded our garden. We added most of that area. It did go just to right after. We have like a terrace thing going on. So it went a little bit past the guardrail, but we expanded it to the very end of that piece because this is flat. We live on a hill kind of, so this is like the flat area. And we expanded
this is
behind.
Where it ended before, like right in this corner.
Yep.
That
it was quite small. Now that you.
It was quite small. So now we've brought
it's
it
a lot bigger.
all the way back here here, obviously, and we've made it quite larger. So next year we want to, everybody's into the no-till garden, but what I'm thinking is we want to till all this up and amend it, and then maybe cover it with some wood chips if we're fortunate enough to do that.
Yeah, that's our goal, and we'll see. So this, I wanted to show you our raised bed because last time I showed it, they were tiny little seedlings. We've eaten quite a bit. This was okra that I tore out because it froze. Oh well. The goats ate it. Ate the plants. We have radishes over here, beets, radishes, beets, turnips, and more beets, radishes, and we have microgreens.
Yep. The greens are still doing well.
Lettuces.
The
Kale,
turnips aren't doing
parsley.
so great, but our greens over here are doing really well.
Kale, and then just various sprouting mixed kind of things. So we cover this every night with plastic. So this is PVC pipe over rebar. This is 3/8 inch rebar by maybe 18 inches or so. And then a half-inch PVC.
Yep.
You want to show them how you cover it?
Half-inch PVC. It's pretty simple.
The kids cover
Very,
it.
very technical and difficult. So you just pull it over.
And then we just make sure that it's closed all the way. Make sure that it's the ends are down, and then we put T-posts or whatever we have laying around kind of like over it to seal it up for the night. So right now the sun is setting, so got time to seal it up. If the low is above like 40, I'll keep it off. But the low has been pretty low and freezing. So that's about it. These were where all of our summer things were, and over there a little bit. Some of our summer stuff. We have leftover plastic. We've got some fabric. We put cardboard down as a weed barrier. It's a cheap weed barrier. It looks a little trashy, but we are recycling.
We are.
So there we go.
Reuse, reduce, recycle.
There we go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll check back on the garden front probably in a few weeks. We're going to be doing some videos on food. So
Lots of food videos.
yeah, we made some pickle beets last night, so I think we'll do some more of that and some other things. So stay tuned. Make sure that you subscribe, and please hit the like button, thumbs up. I'm not good at this promoting thing, but please hit the subscribe button so you can be notified. Hit the notification bell.
Yep, the notification bell.
Yes.
So that we know when we do a video or something, you'll be notified.
Yep. And also, quick little reduce, reuse, recycle. Well, these got cut, but a lot of them didn't. We took them off of our plants. We cut the plants, and then you can actually reuse these zip ties. You just kind of get something sharp in there, and then you can kind of loosen them up. So that's awesome. So yeah, happy gardening. If you don't have outside space, you can actually do like sprouted things inside, just on your kitchen counter. So get out there and grow something.
Yay! Go food!
Iron Arrows signing out.